Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you guys back. My name is Yessica. If you're new, definitely subscribe and stay tuned for a lot of my videos. I make project videos, I do adventures with my daughters, I do some travel tips. I also did a decorate with me for the first time this year, so definitely check that video out. And today I'm going to be actually showing you guys what I got my two daughters for Christmas. I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, and I'm really excited to show you what I got for them, and hopefully you can get some ideas of what to get for your kids. So stay tuned. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my 3-year-old. Her name's Arabella. She's going on to 4. She's a lot closer to 4 than she is to 3. But this year Target had amazing options for her, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I got her. So to start off with, we got this hooded blanket, and it has a dinosaur head, and it's actually completely filled, so it's like a stuffed animal head, and it's just so adorable. Arabella loves dinosaurs, but she's also a girly girl, so I'm really excited that Target had the different dinosaurs with more feminine colors this year because she does like pink. So this is definitely a great find, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And I know she's gonna love this blanket. I can't wait to see the look on her face when she opens up this gift. So there it is. That's the first gift. All right, so the second item that we bought her, we actually got this idea from her preschool teacher. Her preschool teacher mentioned to us when we picked her up the other day that Arabella is actually really into the solar system right now. She loves naming all the planets. So we found this really cool, I'm holding it upside down, this really cool planetarium projector, and we know she's gonna love it because right now she loves learning about the solar system. So we're gonna probably set this up in her room so that she can turn it on and off whenever she wants, and we'll probably let her teach us about the solar system just so that she can feel like you were learning from her as well, since she does learn a lot from us. And so we were just really excited to give her this gift, and I can't wait to see the look on her face when she opens it. All right, so the next gift, right now Arabella is going through a little bit of everything phase, but one of her favorite shows is obviously Paw Patrol. And so she already has a helicopter with a character for Sky, so I was really excited to find this Sky hooded towel at Target. It's really cute. She definitely needed a new bath towel. Her bath towels are tiny. They're the infant ones that she got during a baby shower, so we're excited to upgrade her to a big girl towel, and especially because the towel has her favorite character on it, so I know she's gonna love it, and she's gonna be so excited to take a bath after she opens this. All right, and the last gift that we got for Arabella, and my husband actually picked this out because I completely missed the Mickey Mouse section. Obviously, Arabella also loves Mickey Mouse Clubhouse on TV, so we got her this little set that has the Mickey Mouse Junior Collectible Friends set. And it comes with Donald, Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, and Goofy. And I'm kind of upset that it didn't come with Daisy because I love Daisy, but it's all right. I know she's gonna love this, and we wanted to make sure that we get the girls both something they can play with on Christmas. So she is definitely gonna be spending a lot of time playing with this on Christmas Day, and I'm really excited to see her open it because I know she's gonna love it. Now, let's move on to my 1-year-old. I have a 1-year-old daughter. Her name is Penelope, and she is currently in the learning sensory stage of infancy, I guess. And so for her, she recently had a birthday party where she received a ton of gifts, and most of them, were toys. And so we didn't really want to add too many more toys to the toys she already has, because she has a pretty good variety of different sensory toys that she can play with. So we try to also make sure that she got some things that were similar to what we got Arabella, just because sometimes they seem to like the exact same thing. I don't know if that happens with your kids, so they tend to fight over it. And even though she's 1, she still sometimes wants the same toy as her big sister. So one of the first things we got her was a matching hooded blanket, and hers is a fox. It's so cute. We love it. And it's just big and fluffy, and Penelope loves blankets. She loves to put her head underneath them and crawl out the other side, and it's adorable to watch her play with her blanket. So we got her one as well, and this will be perfect because it's going to be getting cold here soon. And here is what hers looks like fully extended. So they didn't have a pink fox, but right now she likes all the different colors. We don't know what her favorite color is yet, so we know she's gonna love this. The next thing that we got for Penelope is also a hooded bath towel. So for her, she watches TV or whatnot. She watches some of the baby sensory videos, but she doesn't have any favorite characters. So I was able to have a little bit of freedom in picking out something that I liked for her. So I got her this really cute hooded bath towel, and it's actually an alligator, which I thought was so adorable. And here is what it's supposed to look like. And my favorite part are these little poking out eyes. They're so cute. And it also has like the little, I don't know what this is called, little spikes or whatnot. But yeah, we're really excited. She loves bath time as well. She has a ton of bath toys, so this will make a good addition to bath time. She'll have a cute little towel she can put on after she gets done. So we're really excited about her, about getting to use this with her. And so the last gift that we got her, so I got her one more gift on Amazon, and I will go ahead and put it on the screen now to show you what I ordered her. But it's actually a bubble maker. Like I said, she's currently in the sensory stage of learning right now, so we thought she loves bubbles, so we thought a bubble maker would be amazing for her. We know she's gonna love it, and that's gonna be coming in the mail soon. So that was her third gift. And then her fourth gift, Arabella, my oldest daughter, got a tablet from her Aunt Natalie, I think last year, and she loves playing with it, but Penelope's always really curious because she wants to see what her big sister is looking at on the tablet. And of course right now Arabella's going through the stage where she's learning to share, and sometimes she doesn't want to. So I actually found an infant tablet, which is just the cutest thing. So it's not like a real tablet. All it is buttons, and the buttons tell you the different letters and the different characters that they picked out to go with that letter, such as like L for lion, and it plays music. And this way Penelope can have her own tablet, which I thought was pretty neat because she's not ready for a tablet just yet, but this is going to be perfect. And it is for her age group. It's for 12 to 36 months. So I was really excited to find this at Target. And like I said, she already has a ton of toys that she can play with from her birthday party that was recently, less than a month ago. So we're excited to be giving her this for Christmas, because now she'll have her own tablet to play with in the car, even if it's not like the complex one, and it's perfect for her age as well. So that concludes all the gifts that I got for my daughters. But as you remember, we do have a new member of the family. Her name is Olive, my puppy, and I couldn't forget her. So I got her her own stocking this year. And it's just like, I got this at Dollar Tree. It's super inexpensive. And it has a puppy on it, so I thought it would be appropriate because she's a puppy. And for her stocking, I got her a new chew toy. And let me tell you, Dollar Tree did an amazing job at having these high quality feeling dog toys. And this one is a pretty small size, but our dog is actually really small. I think she's only like 3 pounds, so this might actually be a little big for her. But I'm really excited because then Olive will also have a toy that she can play with on Christmas, so I'm really excited about that. And of course I had to get her a little snack, so I got her a little bun that she can chew on while she's playing with the girls. And so of course I had to pick up our puppy a few little items as well. So speaking of stockings, I did pick up a couple of items for the girls' stockings this year. We have been enjoying baking together, making cookies and different baked goods. And so I found these adorable little sippy cups with straws. These are gonna go in their stockings this year. And I thought these would be so much fun because we'll probably continue to bake throughout Christmas. And they can use these to put milk in, to drink with their milk and cookies, or to have with their cookies that we bake together as a family. So I'm really excited to put these in their stocking. I may actually let them open these stocking stuffers up before Christmas, just because, you know, I'm pretty excited to have them be able to use it all through December with their baked goods. So these were definitely a cute little addition that I purchased, and I think these will go so great in their stockings this year. All right, so let's talk prices. So this year for Christmas, I think I spent the exact same amount that I did last year for my one daughter for each of them. So the total cost of all the gifts was $150, which brings it to like $70 to $75 per kid. Most of their stuff was very similar in price. So like if you split it down the middle, it's exactly $75 per kid. That is how much we spent for Christmas this year for each of them. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys got some ideas of maybe what you want to get for your kids, especially if they're within the same age group as my kids. And I really hope to see you guys in my next video. So definitely subscribe and comment what your favorite gift was in this video. I'd love to read your comments, and I'd love to get some feedback from you guys to see how good I did this year. But anyway, see you guys in my next video.